Hello, I am Syed Ahmed Shah, a big data engineer and AI architect based in Dublin, Ireland. I have over 8 years of professional experience helping companies across Europe design, build, and scale data platform and AI-ready architecture that supports real business outcomes. My expertise include big data engineering, cloud data platform, and advanced analytics, working extensively with Azure, AWS, Databricks, Spark, Snowflake, and enterprise data warehouses. I specialize in building reliable ETL pipelines, optimized data models, and high performance analytic solutions that handle large scale complex data. Beyond engineering, I work closely with stakeholders, design end-to-end data and AI architectures, ensuring data quality governance, security, and scalability from day one. I have supported use cases ranging from business intelligence and reporting to AI-driven insights and predictive systems. Client value my ability to translate business requirements into clean, scalable, technical solution, communicate clearly, and deliver constantly, whether it's not short-term project for long-term partnership. If you're looking for someone who can own their own data architecture, strengthen your analytics, and future-proof your platform for AI, I would be happy to help. Let's build something solid together.